Dell here with some pudding to check out. We got the snack pack vanilla, which also looks like it has the butterscotch with it. And then let's see about these. This is all vanilla here, or it looks like oh, banana cream, sorry. And then of course the chocolate. So let's take a look at these and see what we're doing. Here. Let's see, 170 calories. And these are a little bit bigger. I've seen cups that are smaller than these. They're gluten-free. They're all three are gluten-free. So 60% more. And these are, what is that? Doesn't say. Goes on the totals, not the individuals. So let's look on the back here and see what they're 6 and 10, 6/10 for the fat and saturated, and then the cholesterol is 0. It looks like, yep. And sodium is 9, carbs is 12, 4% fiber, and sugars is 38%. That's a little high in the sugar, but let's see what it says. Any remarks off the top here. 0 trans fat, no artificial growth hormones, that's a good thing. No high fructose corn syrup, that's a good thing. And no preservatives, another good thing. So it's looking like we're not doing too bad here. So since I'm a vanilla guy, I would rather have these cold, but I guess we're going to have to do it with the system as it's been presented to us. Okay, these snap really nice. Some don't. Some you got to fiddle with them, and just snapped and you raised it up and out, and away we go. So that's easy. They must have worked on that, the engineers, to get things that way. Make it as, excuse my tongue, huh? Okay, so a little bit of it, and this is what it looks like. I'll take a little taste, because I already did take a little taste. Take a little spoonful here. I normally like these cold, and I'm thinking that there would be no reason, if, say, you're a chocolate person, that you couldn't just mix the two up. And let's see here. See how easily this opens. Oh, it opens pretty easily. They didn't use an excessive amount of glue, and as previously stated, I said that they snap out real nice. So this one's true. It looks like they're all going to be that way. And so here we've got the two. And I'm just briefly gonna, and I'm gonna watch how I open this one so I don't have to lick up the contents all over the place. And we'll take a spoonful of this chocolate, and we'll throw it in with the vanilla, and we'll eat that presently. And I'll take just the chocolate by itself. If you're a chocolate person, this is it. So let's see what the two together, mixed together, are like. Not bad, but again, I wish it was cold. And then I think we've got the banana, and I don't know what brand this is. Let's see here. Look like butterscotch, right?
I think it's
butterscotch. Okay, so we'll try this on its own, by itself. And there again, watch how you open it so that it doesn't go all over the place. And we'll try some of this. Not a real butterscotch guy, but it's okay. It's not anything overwhelming. So it wouldn't be a deal killer with me if say I had to eat the butterscotch. I don't know what to mix it with, so we won't try any of that sort of thing. But here again, you can watch this. If this snaps right like the others did, yep, there again. I've had them where they stick together and all kind of not. These are just engineered perfect. You lift them up and in a way they'd separate. So this one I didn't get the top cover off perfect, but let's see how we do on this banana taste. It seems to me like this banana taste might go good with the chocolate. Yep. You can taste the banana, and so what I'm going to do is either pour one into the other till I get this figured out. I take the banana and dip it into the chocolate, and we'll see if these two are good together. Yeah, it's kind of neat. So about the four flavors: the vanilla and the chocolate, and the banana and the chocolate, kind of mixed together okay. And again, if you have these, I prefer them cold. So I hope that helps you some if you're in the groceries stores and think you might. And they are bigger too. You know what they are per ounce, per container, but it's a bigger container, a deeper container, contains more pudding in there. And they look like a nice dessert for your lunch, and they look like a nice snack. You're watching TV or watching the game or something. So I'm all in on these. These things, I think I didn't really expect much from them. I didn't expect anything new or anything like that, but there are new things. There's a little bit more in each one, so if you want more pudding, it's there. And as I say, they snap apart nice, and it's just enough glue to hold the package together, so the package comes out apart pretty nice. And it's all in all, it's somebody at that company is looking to make things a little easier for you, more pleasant eating experience, and not problems. So I don't think that I think you can avoid a mess if you're a little bit careful, and even if you're not, you just snap them, pop them out, and eat them. So without a whole lot of fanfare, you can get into it and enjoy your treats. Del signing off, and I hope this helps you, and maybe something you might be interested in. You might want to try them out and see if the kids like them. If it's not, then you can avoid it. And it's just we bought all this stuff, and it's something you want to steer clear of. You saved yourself a few bucks. So we'll check you on the next one, and hope this does you well.